Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute fridge magnet. You can create this kind of magnet in many different ways. I will use the paper heart in form of flowers. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute fridge magnet. We will need a piece of white paper, and we have to create a sort of stems. Using this pair of scissors that I bought in a €1 shop, we will cut here and then here, and then we will cut here. Voila, the same here and the same here. Voila. Now we will need to use we will start to create the leaves of the flower. We will need a green pen, and we will start to create a sort of draw in this way some leaves, but you can add also these leaves later. Okay, now we will need a piece of brown paper, and we will cut this part, the vase. Okay, you will need to cut something like this, or a rectangle, or directly a sort of a rectangle in this way, like this one, as you prefer. You can also create this or this, as you prefer. I will use this to change a little my fridge magnet. Here I will add some leaves. Voila. Okay, now we will need to glue the vase with some tacky glue. Okay, and here, and leave it to dry. Okay, now with our paper heart punch, we will need to punch 5 paper heart, and if you want you can add more paper heart. I prefer 5, like in the other fridge magnet. Okay, different colors, but you can for me it's beautiful with different color, but you can use the same color, all the paper heart in red, or all in orange, as you prefer. It's up to you, it's your fridge magnet. Okay, now we will need to glue our paper heart in this way. You can also, voila. Now this is the position. Okay, and now we can glue them to our fridge magnet. Okay, voila, here, and now the yellow one here, the red one, this one, the pink. And last one, this glitter in silver, this glitter paper heart and silver. Voila, here. And this way. Voila, they are so nice. I think they are so nice. Now we will need to, if you want, you can complete your fridge magnet in that way with a silver pen. You can draw this little sort of dot. They are not dot. I don't know the word in English. I don't remember. Sorry. Voila. And we will trace all around our borders. Voila, here. Okay, now if you want you can finish the composition with a cute ladybug. This is a wooden ladybug that I bought in a €1 shop. I sure you can find this in many different shops around the world. Voila. And now we will need to glue the fridge magnet, the magnet, sorry. Okay, so here, and then with some tacky glue we will glue the magnet to our piece of paper. Voila. Leave it to dry, and when it will be ready you can use it, or you can gift this super cute fridge magnet to a friend, to your loved one, and you can create them in many different ways. If you have a flower punch, you can create flowers instead of paper art, as you prefer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.